In this video, we will see how to place MTM Target and MTM SL. First, log in with your broker credentials and we will take some random trades for live demonstration of MTM Target and SL. Before taking trades, first we will learn some correct way of placing MTM Target and SL. Okay, for placing MTM, you don't have to place for individual legs. This MTM Target and SL, it's set for your all running position. If your MTM Target and SL hits, it will simply exit your all positions, whatever position you have. Even if you have your sell trades, in this case also, it will first exit your all sell trades, okay, then it will exit your all buy trades. So here you don't have to worry about your margin shortfalls. It will automatically detect whatever sell trades are there, it will exit first that and then buy trades. And let's see some different cases of MTM Target and SL. Like if you have positive PNL, like if your PNL is running at 2000 rupees and you want to place your target at 3000 rupees, okay, then you can simply place 3000 rupees in MTM place, and for SL you can simply place 1500 rupees. If you don't want to lose your profits below 1500, you simply place 1500 in SL and 3000 in target and simply set it. Okay, post PNL, you have to set your MTM target in this way. Okay, for initial PNL, like initial, see my MTM is 0. In this case, suppose if I have to place my MTM at 2000 rupees, okay, I will simply place my MTM at 2000 rupees. If my MTM goes to minus 1000 rupees and I want to exit my whole position, okay, then what I will place here, I can't place simply a 1000. It will not take, it will give some errors. Okay, so here you have to place with negative sign. See, if I see now it's set with negative sign, it's set. Okay, if I don't place this negative sign, see what it's saying, enter SL value less than MTM, means whatever MTM you have to place your SL below MTM. You can't place your SL above MTM, so you have to place negative sign here. Okay, see I have placed here with my MTM SL with negative sign. Okay, see here with negative sign. And if my MTM is negative, if my running PNL is negative, like my running PNL is 2000 rupees, okay, in this case, if my target is like, if my already running PNL is 2000 and if this PNL comes to minus 500 rupees, okay, like minus 500 rupees, I want to exit at minus 500 rupees. Like I just want my this PNL to comes to minus 500 rupees. In this case, my target will be simply minus 500. Or if you want your MTM to be 0, you simply place 0. Okay, and when this negative PNL comes to 0, it will exit your all positions. Okay, in this case, if I want if my current running PNL is minus 2000 and I don't want to lose more than minus 2500 rupees. Okay, so simply what I will do here with the negative sign 2500 rupees, then I will set it. See, what the main thing is you have to see here is whatever your PNL is running, you have to place your SL below PNL. Okay, and you have to place your target above PNL. Always you have to remember this. If your PNL is negative, then you have to place negative signs also. This way of placing MTM target and SL we have given for more user interactive towards your MTM. Now we will take some live trades. First let's set this. Now we are all set and we will take some random trades just for demonstration. Like I buy, see my MTM target and SL is plus 50 rupees and minus 50 rupees. Say I set it to minus 50 rupees. And if this MTM hits to minus 50 rupees, it will exit my all trades. I will take some more position. Like I will take one sell position also. Before taking sell position, I need to buy first. I will buy and then I will take some sell position. Okay, see Currently I have 3 position running. Okay, I have 3 to 4 position running. To put buy position in one call sell position and one call buy position. See, if it hits to minus 50 rupees, it will simply exit my all positions. And if it hits to positive 50 rupees, it will exit my all this running position. You don't have to worry about your hedge benefits. See, all my running position got exited. Currently my PNL is minus 54 rupees. And if this PNL comes to minus 20 rupees, I want to exit at minus 20 rupees. I will simply place minus 20 rupees as a target. And if this PNL goes to minus 60 or minus 70 rupees, I will exit at minus 70. We will see this example also for placing. I have placed negative signs in both sides. I will take some random trades. I will buy ATM strike price. Okay, let's buy. See, I will take one more. See, it's going to hit my SL of minus 70 rupees. I will take one sell trade also in this. I have taken one sell trade also. Whatever penal, see, it went to minus 70 rupees and it exited my trades at minus 70. Okay, turn on this MTM target and MTM SL. Currently, I have 123 rupees profit and I don't want to lose this profit. Like, I can set this MTM SL to 100 rupees. Set it. Okay. When this MTM goes to 100 rupees, then all my position will be exited. And when this, I will set my MTM target to 150 rupees. Just for demonstration, we will take one OTM strike price. Here also we will take one OTM strike price. Simply buy. Okay. See, I bought one call and one put. When this MTM goes to 150 rupees, it will exit my all positions. And when it goes to 100 rupees, then it will exit my all position. We will decrease this MTM target to 135 rupees, or I can set to 140 also. I just want to see how my position are getting exited. I can increase this to 130. Okay, so 120 I will set. See, my all position got exited when my SL got hit at 120 rupees. Okay. With this feature, you can protect your profits and SL.